You want me to record you shooting or what?
What?
You want me to record you shooting or what?
First you go record me shooting, and then record me shoot, cause you can this thing record. Okay. I'm going. Alright, this how we doing this, my boy Alfonso right here. You know what I'm saying? Yo, this is another one of IJ Brown little blogs. Nigga got me at the shooting range. First time me shooting off some good. Check it out. First, can you see through that?
Yep.
I'm gonna load up the gun. Always wear protective gear, or afterwards you won't hear. Listen to the rhymers. 10 bullets in this bitch. I'm about to blow this nigga head off. All shots at number 5. I'm gonna use this bad boy. Motherfucker's nice. Bitch in the chamber. Put that bitch like that.
Just so y'all know, there's like 5.
What? Okay, I thought I got them all in the hole. It looked like number 5 was getting brighter. I don't think I hit that bitch at all, though.
You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 1, 2.
Probably got shot that nigga in the head a couple times.
You got 5 in the head and 6 in the head and 4 outside. I don't think you can see that. No, you can't see it.
That's too far. Alright, I'm gonna do this bitch again. I'm gonna do it with the pink gun. This my boy wife gun. But I still shoot your bitch ass with it. Now he gonna record me shooting. He's just gonna go down there. You know what? You could just go ahead and record me. Because you ain't gonna be able to see down there anyway.
And I'm definitely going down there while he's shooting.
Load it.
Wait, which one is it? No, that's the wrong one. Do that one.
See, I fucked up, so I might as well go back to this one. Drop it. Pop it. Cock it. Time to go. I'm going for more.
Just so y'all know, you shot him in the arm 3 times.
What?
4 if you count the armpit.
I shot that nigga 4 times?
Only if you count the armpit.
Put no more deodorant on for a while. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the big boy. They go with this one, right?
Yeah.
Watch my motherfucking arm. Look over, come on. My motherfucking arm finna go back. My whole body finna go back. I ain't used to this shit. Bam. Put that down. Bam. Shoot you a bitch ass in the chest. Shot your ass in the rear.
You want 40?
Alright, you go ahead. You shoot. I'm gonna record you.
Here's the 40. You want the 40?
Go ahead. Yeah, I do it. Fuck it. It's the 40. Like if I want to shoot somebody, I gotta use a 22. I gotta shoot every bullet in that nigga. I hate the way this bitch cocked back. I can do it like that. Check this shit. That ain't happening. Run your nuts. Hey, I did the best I could. Now I'ma show y'all niggas how he get down. Go ahead. Got the motherfucking shotgun. I'm gonna show y'all my last thing. Where the hell that thing go at? I think I put it right here. It's my last one I did. I was shooting all at one time, right there. Get off me, fly. I was shooting all at one time, right there. The first one I was just shooting in the center. Then the last, I had the 40 down here in this vicinity. I got it right there where he told me to shoot it at, right there in them little words. And I started fucking around, just started shooting around. I put one right in your motherfucking eyeball, though. I tell you what, that bullseye, nigga. Let me step back. I'm an okay shooter for the first time. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. I did pretty damn good. One thing I hate about shooting these big ass guns is the motherfucking 40. Pulling that motherfucking lash back and it's popping my motherfucking thumb off. But watch this nigga. Hold on. Put my motherfucking protective gear on. Go ahead. You see that motherfucking nigga head ain't go nowhere. Nowhere. I'm mad at a bitch. But he in the army, y'all. He know what he doing. Now listen to that. Go off. That was nice. Motherfucker smell like all smoke. Gunpowder everywhere. And we ain't shot not a real nigga yet. You got one more?
No, that's it.
Alright. Chill. Alright, y'all. Fuck with us. I don't know if I can't go past the gun line. This right here, you ain't supposed to pass it this way when your ass, you know what I'm saying, gotta do some things out here at the gun range. Fuck your shit up. Alright, I'm gonna fuck with y'all on another tip.